Well, welcome back. I'm Lauren, this is the Robin Board. Today we are going to be opening up thumbnail. The Weebox. This guy comes from Scotland. It is 35, it starts out at roughly £35 a month plus £8.50 for international shipping. So they do ship international. It's a really cute box. It's supposed to have a value of $50 in here at least. So, and they don't include the values of the things in this box. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Also, I want you to know that they wrap this in Scottish newspaper, and it's a really cute touch. So it's a small box. So you tend to get a treat a month. So we got homemade oatmeal oat cakes, Fifi cut. So yeah. So it is, to say, and this is, I'm going to read off their card. Home is where the heart is and food is. To say that food and drink is the heart of Scotland in every home would be an understatement. And every lifeblood Scotland culture, family life to develop into your Bible and be so inspired. So. And then it's a little, as Scotland would say, a tartan plaid. Probably not specific to any clan. You don't want to step on your toes. Little coin, knick-knack kind of pouch in here. So this says a wee hag bag for your washing. A nostalgic, affectionate tribute to Spartan grannies and great grannies who tirelessly rubbed, scrubbed, chatted their way through the washing day to be green, towel dried, and hanging out for washing. So it's washable. So yeah, this is cute too. Oh, maybe. Okay, so why this red was meant for this. So it's, my grandmother had one too. So it's like for clothespins and stuff you find doing laundry. So that's what this really is. You can hang it up too. So, or you can, use it for something else. It doesn't have to be for laundry. So let's read what. I'm just going down the list. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, so this is peppermint spear buttons handkerchief. Scottish grannies made a house home, and we salute them with these wee tartan purses, perfect for keeping your bits and pieces. This is something to have in your purse, or for little things that tend to get lost everywhere. So it comes in bubble wrap, and I'm trying to find the opening. And it's just a little towel hanger, and it's a buffalo, water buffalo, and it says kitchen. Isn't that cute? So it comes with a code. So so this is yeah. Imagine your own wee living coup in your kitchen, a lovely handcrafted Elizabeth garden, the stunning ceramic tile. Hold up, that's what I'm talking. Tile will bring the Scotland to your kitchen wherever you are in the world, not to mention an exclusive discount code for any range of online only inside the Weebox. So they gave the Weebox a code to shop with her. And it's really cute, and she has really cute artwork. It's adorable. Okay. I might buy the wrong thing for the cakes too, so this is the Honey Bible, so that's what it must have been. So it's a cute little recipe book. So that's cute. You know, we're all stuck inside, so having something new to try might not be a bad idea. Okay, yeah, so the cakes are just something and I don't see anything. So, jot down your so this is something many family recipes hand down, so you know your granny's best hot pot or just something family. So yeah, so it's just a little notebook. I think in a previous box I got this print possibly on a towel too. Just a little like one of those fun like maps with like different landmarks and stuff throughout Scotland. It's just to kind of symbolize each place. That's cute. And that's it for this box. Oh yeah, by the way, my husband's part Scottish. As my mother likes to say, she likes to forget everything else he is and deny everything else he is. He's all Scottish, so they're very Scottish proud. We got married in a kilt. So anyway, that's it for this box. I will link the box down below. It's a fun little box to get every month. I really enjoy it. If you're interested, see the link below. My Instagram is linked down below too for all fun things. And if you're interested in more videos from me, just stick to the end card at the end of the video. And that'll be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye!